Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa. You are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I wanted to give you guys a little update on my hairstyling, my fine wavy to curly hair routine. For those of you who follow me, you know that I got a little hair trim about 2 weeks ago, I think. I'm not sure. Time goes by so fast, I don't even remember how long it was. For those of you who don't follow me, I will link a video right there. It's a little get ready with me that I did the day after I got my trim, where I talked to you guys about my whole experience. And since this, I have been changing my hair routine a little bit. I've been switching it around a little bit. All right, so what have changed in this hair routine? Well, what I'm looking to achieve with my hair is slightly different than what I used to do. Before, I was looking for curl definition, I was looking for moisture and for hydration and all that. Now I'm looking for some more volume. I want to feel a fuller head of hair, so more texture. And then when I see my hair, I want to see more of a movement, more body to my hair. And I think I can achieve that by using less product. I think that I've been using too many products that does the same thing. They moisturize, they define the curls, they time my hair down. My hair is already naturally fine, but by using all these products, I'm not allowing my natural volume to just be. Alright, so the first thing that I changed in my routine is the type of shampoo that I'm going to use on my hair. I'm using a volumizer shampoo from Nature Mother's Natural. I use the shampoo and the conditioner from the same line. And what I can tell you right now is that once I rinse my hair out of the shampoo and conditioner, I feel like my hair is a little bit on the drier side, a little bit more brittle and less silky and hydrated. Okay, so I know I'm gonna have to replenish with a little hair mask down the line. But once I've rinsed out this shampoo and conditioner, I put in the Nature Mother Plump for Joy Thickening Hair Lifter for fine and thin hair. And what this is going to do is that it's going to give my hair that lift that I'm looking for. Now this is supposed to be a leave-in conditioner, something that you will style your hair with, and I decided to use it as kind of like a hair mask, a hair treatment that you would rinse off. So I'm putting this on my hair, and then on the tips of my hair I am putting a little hair mask to make sure that the ends are hydrated. Then I'm putting everything in the shower cap and I'm taking my shower. Now once I'm done with my shower and then I rinse off my hair, I am going to style my hair. Now to style my hair, I'm using the regular product that I like to use, which are the Nature Mother's yellow bottle. This is the bottle right here. And of course my all-time favorite, flaxseed hair gel. Now the little twist to this is that the Nature Mother's leave-in conditioner that I'm using, I modified it a little bit. So I was reaching the end of the bottle. I had maybe 1/8 of the bottle left, and I filled it up with water, and then I put a little bit of flaxseed hair gel and I shake all this, and that's what I've been using on my hair. So it is a watered down version of the original product, plus my little twist with my flaxseed hair gel. Now that I've put all my leave-in conditioners and gel, I am scrunching my hair. Yes, only scrunching my hair. I am not doing any hand coiling, hand curling at all. I am allowing my hair to just be the way they want to be without telling them, you go curl this way, you go curl that way, you freeze, you stay over there. Like, I'm just letting my hair find their own curls and, you know, be whatever they want. Then I diffuse, and voila, the end result is this crazy head of hair. Now what I can tell you right now, the pros and cons about this hairstyle is that the pros, I'm going to start with the pros because voila, I wanted more body, more volume, and a more natural vibe to my hair. Not that it wasn't natural before, but you know, like the hand curling, I felt like the hand curling was tamming my hair down, was not giving me as much volume. I actually have a video about this that I will link right here, where I do scrunching versus hand curling, and one side I scrunch, one side I hand curl, and you guys can see the difference. So by letting my hair scrunch everywhere, I am really allowing that volume to be there, and I like that. What I love about this is that I definitely have a fuller appearance to my hair. It looks fuller. I still have the same amount of hair, but it looks fuller. And I am loving my day 2. I feel like on day 2, that's really when the fullness and the volume is like 100%. I feel it's more visible on day 2 than it is on day 1, actually. And for the first time ever, I'm loving my hair more on day 2 than I do on day 1. This is day 1, but tomorrow when I'm going to refresh my curls, I'm going to be in love. So all right, now for the cons. My hair is a lot drier than it usually is. Why? Because I'm not using all those moisturizing shampoos and heavy leave-in conditioners and stuff like that. I am going for lighter products and products that are targeting the fiber of the hair, being instead of smoothing and hydrating. So it's a big difference from my hair, and I have to make sure to replenish with doing more hair mask and deep conditioning. But right now I'm really enjoying that volume, that body, that so my hair is gonna have to deal with it. Another thing is that because I'm lacking in moisturizing, I have a lot more frizz in my hair. So personally, I don't care because I'm looking for natural big natural hair type of thing. So there, it comes with frizz, it comes with the territory, right? So I'm fine with it, but that might be something you may not like, so it's something to take in consideration. And then the third thing is that I have a less curl definition, so a more wavy to slight curls look to my hair. Although my hair naturally have those wrinklets, you can see them here. It still is a lot more a lot less defined, a lot more frizz, a lot more wave. They do what they want. If they don't want to curl, they don't curl. If they want to wave, they wave. If they want to curl, they curl like it. Be free, you know? And that's the vibe I'm going for lately. It's probably going to change in the next couple of weeks, so you know, life, c'est la vie. But this is where I am right now, and I wanted to show this routine with you because I've been doing it for a couple of weeks, I think now, and I really like the end result. I mostly like the day 2. The day 2 is amazing. All right, you guys, I'm all set with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the content. Let me know in the comments what you guys do to give a little bit more volume to your hair. Let me know if you're gonna try this routine. You don't have to use exactly the products that I use, but if you have a leave-in conditioner that is supposed to give more volume and more body to your hair and you don't know what to do with it, try to put it under the shower, let it sit for a little bit and rinse it off and see how that works for you. And ben voilà, that's that. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Until next week, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.